I can't tell you how many times I've heard this thing that you must have money to make money, or I don't have enough money in order to start buying properties or to start a business or to invest. Now, this thing is going to keep you from tapping into the abundance that's within you. So, what's the origin of this belief? I think we grow up hearing this thing that you need money to make money, or save before you invest, or without the banks and security, you can't buy property or start a business. At least this was my belief system until I was about 30 years of age. So the school reinforces this concept by teaching us how to earn a salary. That's the function. That's the reason why we go to school, is to regurgitate information, not to think so that we can get a job. They do not teach us how to create wealth. It's nowhere in the curriculum. The financial services will never teach this stuff to you, because the moment that you know how to get a 60 and a 70% growth on your investment, you're not going to rely on them. The banks profit from this idea by convincing us that they are the gatekeepers, that without the bank, we cannot buy cars, we cannot buy property. So ask yourself, the moment that you qualify to get a bond, what do? You go to the bank, because the bank's going to give you the money in order to buy that property. But it's in their interest that you believe this nonsense. And that's the reason why we do it. In other words, society accepts this 100% as the truth. And because of that, this is why we cannot get out of this rat race. So how does this idea, this limiting belief, block our success? Well, it keeps us stuck, because we're always waiting for that once I've got enough, then I can start the process. And in the meantime, when we save our money, guess what happens? The inflation starts eating that money away, very slowly but surely. By doing this, we're going to avoid opportunities that don't fit into this cash-first mindset. In other words, if that is your belief system, the subconscious mind is going to delete. We've got a thing that we call the reticular activated system. It's going to delete, distort, generalize, and add information to line up with this belief system that I first need the cash before I can start. And therefore, you're never going to start. The results of that is paralysis. You're not going to take action. People never move. They never grow, because they get stuck within this mental attitude. Now, in 1987, I made the mental shift that changes everything for me personally. I've developed the Property Pro investment system. That's a story by itself. And by developing that system, I discovered that with the right skills that you can acquire properties for free, literally for free. Now, there are two ways to get properties for free. The first one is, if you've got income and security, you can go to the bank and the bank is going to give you a bond. But there are ways, by having the skill and knowing how structures work and how to twist a property, where that property will give you more income than what it's going to take you to pay the bond, as well as the levies, as well as the cost attached to that and after tax. So that's one way. And that's, by the way that I started off when I started in 1987 and bought my first investment property. But then there's a second way, and that is that you can do it without the banks. If you've got more skills, you can do that without going to the bank. You do not have to give them security. You do not have to show them that you have got the affordability in order to buy that. Now, you can also start business with no money and with no security. It's amazing. We are trapped in this thing that I need money to make money, and therefore we draw up business plans, take that to the bank, pledge all our security in order to start a business. It's the worst way that you can ever start a business. Yes, this happened on a day and a weekly basis. After I started applying this, 7 years later, we were financially free. Now, years after I've already retired, I first did my master thesis on residential property as investment instrument. Now, what is important about this is I see property as the investment instrument. It's not property that's going to make you rich. It's the knowledge that you have in order to use this instrument to give you that you want and what you need in order to become financially free. Now, what do I want and what do I need? I want my investment growth rate to be higher than my financial freedom growth rate. So I first need to calculate what and how hard must my money work for me. Then I use the property to see if that property, with the skills that I bring to that property, if that property can help me to grow my money, the growth on my money, so that it's more than my financial freedom growth rate. A simple example, if I need 10 million 10 years from now on, but I've only got 1,000 Rand to invest, then the question is, how hard must that money work in order for me to reach that goal? And if you do an Excel calculation, you're going to see it's about 65%. So unless this property, the growth of my money that I'm going to put into this property, can't give me at least 65%, I'm not going to buy that property. That's the first part. Right. Now, after that, I did my PhD. And I did the PhD by applying the formula for wealth creation to develop entrepreneurs and investors. So the basics on the property I've already done with the masters on property. But with my PhD, I come and I said, okay, but there's a formula for wealth creation. How do I use this? How do I use the 6 mind powers that we've got to activate this? What is the process that I need to follow to start a business with no money, or investment with absolutely no money, or where I can dictate? For example, in the masters and actually in my PhD, I did a closed interdisciplinary result-based PhD. The reason why I did that was to prove that you can start business with no money and investment. I structured it for less than a Rand, 79 cents. And we turned that eventually into more than 10 million in 2 years and 7 months. This is the power of what I've got, but it's a closed. In other words, you can't go to university and say, I want to see the research on that. I kept the intellectual property for myself. And this is what I'm helping people and teaching people, so that someone else can't take the credit for that. So these 2 theses, I proved academically what I had already lived. Right. And that is that you do not need money or security to start a business, and you do not need a salary or a bank to acquire property. Of course, if you start off and you've got a salary, it's just a lot easier. But the principle stays the same. My IGR must be bigger than my FFGR. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So what you need in order to be able to do that is the skills. If you do not have the skills, it's not going to work. Right. And skills is one of the things that they will not teach you. The educational financial system, they will never teach you this. For the simple fact that if you know how to apply this to property or to a business, and how to turn your business into an investment, and you can get a 65 or 100% growth or a 3 million % growth over a 3-year period, there's no ways that you're going to take your money and give it to someone else to invest on your behalf, hoping that you're going to become rich. You're not going to do it, because now you understand the truth. You understand the power that's within you by gaining the skills. So they will never teach this to you. So when you apply the wealth creator strategy, which, by the way, if you do not know it, the definition for that is intelligent use of limited resources to go from where you are to where you want to be in the shortest possible time with the least amount of risk. Risk is when you do not understand what you're doing. So the only way to offset risk is the 4 I-value skills. The moment that you apply those skills, you identify the risk. Now I can learn the skills to offset, to manage, or to mitigate that risk. By doing that, I bring the risk down and I get the growth up. And the amount of money that I put into this venture, that's the risk. And that's the only risk that I'm going to take. Now, the moment that you do that, my friend, the results are inevitable. In other words, you are guaranteed to get to where you want to be, on condition that you apply it and on condition that you do what you're supposed to do. Today, basically, I'm proving that again. In my PhD, I proved that. I've proved it several times, but in November 2021, I took on a challenge and I said, I'm going to turn 100 Rand into a 10 million property portfolio within 5 years. I'm still busy with that challenge. And at the moment, after 3.5 years, we're over 10 million and we've got the property portfolio. Now I'm going to see if I can't take it to 20 million, but that includes the business side as well as the crypto side. Right. You can follow this, by the way, in my YouTube channel, the 500K challenge. What I want you to pick up here is that it always starts with a paradigm shift. In other words, it's mentally first. A paradigm means you do things because of the belief system that you've got. But unless you shift that paradigm, in other words, in the current belief system that people are, where they think that they need money to make money, or that the higher the risk, the higher the growth, or that you have to have degrees, right? In that paradigm, because of the reticular activated system, everything that you're going to experience will validate that this is the truth. It's only when you shift your paradigm mentally first that you're going to see, but there's another world that no one talks about, because they cannot control you in that world. There is no scarcity. It's only abundance. So this, that you can start a business or get properties for free, is not possible until you change your belief systems first. The old paradigm basically says money comes first, then wealth, or this saying, you must have money to make money. The new paradigm simply says wealth comes from skills, knowledge, and strategy. If that is in place, the money follows. And then you don't need the banks, you don't need the insurance companies, you don't need the fund managers, you don't need unit trust, you don't need the stock market, you don't actually need cryptos, although I'm using cryptos because it's a fun way of building wealth without taking any risk. There are ways to do that, but you first have to have that skill and knowledge. So the thing that I want to say to you, the first investment that you need to make is never in property or business. The first investment will always be in your own mindsets. And this is what no one is going to teach you, because they dare not teach this to you, because then you're going to query the system. And they don't want you to query the system, because then the system is not going to operate. But we've got the ability to be in the system, to use the system to our advantage, and to be wealth creators at the same time where we've got a life of abundance. But the choice is yours. So the formula for wealth creation begins with, there are 7 what we call multipliers. The first multiplier is you must have the intent. If you do not know exactly what it is that you want and before when you want it, the process cannot start. In other words, you're going to be too scattered. The second multiplier is belief. If you hope to do it, you haven't got the skills, therefore you don't know that you can do it, you're not going to start the process, right? So intent and belief is actually to validate if your intent is strong enough. So unless your paradigm shift mentally with the intent first, the formula cannot be activated. And this is what we do in all the skill development courses that we've got and mentoring courses that we've got at the Wealth Creators University. We take people through the mental part, because that is where the biggest problem, 95% of your success depends on the mental skills, not on the physical skills in terms of income, business or investment. I could teach you property in less than 2 hours to follow a system and to get exactly the same outcomes that I'm getting. That's not the problem. The problem is you're not going to do it, you're not going to start, you're not going to keep up with it, and you're not going to see it through because of your limiting belief systems. And when I say you, I'm talking in terms of general. I'm not talking to you as an individual, because I know you haven't got that problem whatsoever, right? So the formula cannot be activated unless you change your mindset first. But once you change your mindset, you can use all the limited resources that we've got, like our time, like our energy, like our creativity, like skills, like relationships. We can use this strategically as part of the Wealth Creator strategy. And by doing that, what other people say is impossible becomes possible. Think for yourself. If I say I can take less than R1 and turn it into 10 million in 2 years, 7 months, will you believe me? Well, you're not going to believe me unless you know that it can be done and unless you've changed your paradigm. Otherwise, this is not going to happen, and therefore you're going to miss one of the biggest opportunities in your life that I've proved academically that it's true. It's a science. So by doing this, you can start businesses with no capital. You can buy properties with no bonds, with no security, with no other people's money. And this means that you can create wealth without waiting to have enough money. What are the real consequences of holding on to this belief for you? Well, I don't have enough money to start. By having this concept or a belief system, you're going to delay your freedom until perhaps it's too late, because the longer you wait for this process to start in terms of take control of your mind powers to regulate this belief system, you're not going to start. And then you're going to blame the lack of money instead of the lack of skills. You spend your life working for the banks and the governments instead of creating wealth for yourself. Now, what do I mean? You spend the rest of your life working for the government and the banks. If you understand how the governments and the banks are working in order to extract value and energy from you, you'll get what I've just explained. Because if you're part of the system, you're going to pay tax on everything that you earn. You're going to pay tax on everything that you spend. You're going to paying tax in terms of all your investment growth that you're going to get. And you're even going to pay taxes the day that you die in terms of getting your assets to the next generation, unless you, of course, know what you are doing. And this is what I mean. In other words, the system, the government wants you to be in the system, to control you, to take that energy out, that wealth from you. Now, what do the banks do? They position themselves that it's the only way that you can do it. The financial institutions position themselves that you can only invest through them. There's no value add that they do, because if they can't give you an IGR, investment growth rate, bigger than your FFGR, they're extracting value from you. They're not adding value to you. The only person that can do that will be you, by having the skills. Otherwise, it's not going to work. I hope that you see why, even if you've got a job anywhere at the grocery store, you still are going to give that money to the banks or to the financial system or to the government. And that's how they've set up the system. So the biggest question is, to me at least, why on earth will people not change this belief? If this belief is going to keep them from having abundance and having freedom and having the life that they want, why on earth will they choose not to have it? Here's the thing. It is comfortable to believe that you can't start without money. It is comfortable. It's within your paradigm. It's within your comfort zone. And your mind, your ego, wants to be comfortable. It does not want to grow. It does not want to expand. It does not want. Everyone says, I want to grow. They're lying. They want to grow in terms of doing what they've ever done, but do it over and over. Einstein says that insanity is doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. But yet people do that simply because they stay within their paradigms, within their comfort zone. And then they use this as excuses for inaction, because by not doing something, people feel safe. Believe it or not. But safe beliefs, my friend, keep you trapped in the very system that was designed to extract your energy and your money without you knowing it. And I've met over the last 23 years that I've been teaching, the first time that I meet new students or possible new students, potential new students, 99.9% of them, they don't know how this extraction happens, because they don't know that it's happening. And if you're not aware, if you're in a state of confoculation where you do not know that you don't know what you're supposed to know, you're not going to start focusing on that and becoming aware of that. And this is what we do at the Wealth Creators University, is to show you the state of confoculation that we are in, and then how to get out of that trap. So the next question then is, but Hannes, how on earth do you overcome it? Well, first of all, I need to accept that money is not the starting point in this process. It's always mindsets and skill first. Some of the things that we can do is to commit. That is like intent. Commit to learning the Property Pro investment system. It's by far the quickest and the easiest way to start the process. My students, after a single day with no qualification, with no higher qualifications like degrees, without having math, can do in a single day what I'm doing. If we analyze the same property, we're going to get the same answer. A single day will change your life forever. Start with that. That's the easiest way to get into that. And you can start with that by having a job. And if you haven't got a job, you can also start with it, but then you need actually a little bit more skills to be able to do it. And once you start applying that, then how does this relate to the formula for wealth creation? Because the formula for wealth creation is where the magic, and this is why I've done my PhD on this, by applying the formula for wealth creation to develop entrepreneurs, because you have to develop. It's not something that is natural. You're not going to learn it in an MBA or in a CA or a CPA or a CFP curriculum. It is not possible because those are the systems that give those qualifications. It is not a wealth creator the way you can create whatever you want. So another way that I can suggest is start small. Take small steps. Turn 0 into a rand. Do you know that a 0 to a rand is an infinite growth? And then you take the rand and you turn it into 10 rand. You take the 10 rand, you turn it into 100, 100 into 1,000, 1,000 into 10,000. And then the 10,000 to 100,000, 100,000 into 1 million. And if you understand the process like my students, you can start a business and on the same day that you started the business, make 1.4 million. And I'll prove that in one of the webinars that I'm going to invite you to. And all you have to do in order to get to your goal is to make sure that your investment growth rate is higher than your financial freedom growth rate. And I'll teach you on an Excel spreadsheet within 5 minutes how to calculate your own financial freedom planner growth rate yourself. Now, in order to become successful, it means that we have to replace our identity, this limiting belief, this paradigm that we're in. We first have to replace that. The old identity basically says, I can't start until I've got money. I need money to make money. The new identity says, I'm a wealth creator. And because I'm a wealth creator, I've changed my paradigm shift first. In other words, I shift my paradigm. And therefore, by applying the formula for wealth creation, I can create wealth out of nothing. Literally. Because we are the sons and the daughters of the Creator. And that DNA is basically within us. So every person can do that. You've got the ability, but it's been clouded by all this misinformation and lies. And we started believing that, and that becomes then our paradigm. Now, if you are ready to change your paradigm and see how to create wealth without the banks, if you want to see that, then why don't you join our free Property Accelerator Masterclass? You're going to find the link to that masterclass just below in the description area or somewhere on this page. You click on that, you make sure that you pitch up, because that, I can almost say, I think that it will be the beginning of a total new paradigm shift that you are going to go through. Because at the end, after I share with you the secrets, I'm going to show you in real life how I've turned less than 100 Rand into a property portfolio more than 10 million. It's part of that. It's the same exact strategy that I've applied since 1987. I started teaching this in 2002, right? And I'm offering to share this blueprint with you. Now, there's a bonus. If you're going to stay till the end of this masterclass, I'm going to give you my Formula for Riches ebook absolutely for free. Now, there's a lot of people that don't like ebooks. They want the soft cover edition. You can order that directly from our office for 1,450. All you do is contact the office. They'll take you through the process. You can offer that, and then you can read at your own convenience wherever you want to do it. But I think the value that you're going to get from this ebook in itself is worth, well, it's life-changing. Let me put it that way. Now, there's another offer that I'd like to bring to you, because my passion is to bring this concept to the world. And that is that if you comment roadmap in the comment section below, then the office is going to set up a way for you to get direct contact and direct access to someone in my team. And they're going to help you then to structure or to begin your own financial freedom journey. But please, 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 don't put in a roadmap if you know that you are not prepared to take responsibility, that you're not prepared to put in the time and the effort in order to invest in yourself. Then it's going to be literally a waste of time for yourself as well as for my office. Until next time, I want you to think smarter, act bolder, and live free. And if you do, I guarantee that I'll see you at the top.